What a mess. Why is it you have to make a mess to clean up a mess? Happens every time. Anyway, let me sit down. Okay, let me lean up against the counter. I started working on putting up the new wallpaper over here in the dinette area. This is my new wallpaper, and then over here is where it starts. Oops, sorry, the old stuff. So I'm putting up the one that has the blue in it. And these, I don't know if I told you in the last video, these things, they fell off. These were the panels that were up on either side up here. And when the high-low goes down, those panels go down into, oh, I guess I could get up and go show you, huh? Anyway, those panels are supposed to hook up here. And then when the unit goes down, the panels slide into this little track. Well, I came out here one day, well, 2 days after I put the wallpaper stuff on, and both panels had fallen. Well, one had fallen completely down and the other one was halfway. They were just hot glued up there. And in California heat, in the valley, yeah, I don't know what the temp in here right now is. I don't know if I can see it. I hung up a thermometer in here. It is 100 and, I'm going to say 2-ish in here. I just came out. It's about noon. Just turned on the air conditioner. And there's so much going on. A lot going on. Yeah, there's tons of stuff going on with me. Some I can get into, some I can't quite just yet. But anyway, back to the high-low. I've been talking with a company out of Madera, which is only like 20 miles away from where I live. And they have a mobile air conditioner unit. Mobile, oh, that curtain melted. Mobile meaning they come out to the house because of this coronavirus, which is fine. I'm happy to have them come out. I got hair pulling back here. Anyway, I'm happy to have them come out and do it. It saves me from having to drive to Madera for just that one reason. But anyway, so hopefully, I'm trying to set it up that they come out Monday afternoon. And I'm not sure yet if they're going to bring, which unit they're going to bring. It's either the I don't want the Dometic Penguin. I don't see very good reviews on that one. The other one is the Furon Chill, I think it is. Another one is, I don't know, something else. So anyway, air conditioner, wallpaper. I got this little area over here set up. Let me move some of my stuff out of the way and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so you know I took out the, I never can remember, jackknife couch, jackknife sofa from the pop-out in my high-low, and this is what I've turned it into. There it is. Put my little table here, and I've measured, and when this unit is, when this pop-out is closed down, this will fit right under it. So all I gotta do is move it to here. And then this chair, it folds out, and I'll put pictures in here. It folds out to make a bed, and it fits perfectly in this spot turned sideways. It has a mechanical thing on the inside so that you can click the headrest to different angles. Yeah, but I like it. I actually am making progress. Find a place to sit. Let's see, what else is going on? Let's see, the air conditioner. Okay, let's see. What else is going on? Still working out plans for a trip to the Pacific Northwest. Been cleaning out that big shed in my backyard. Huge shed. Trying to sell off as much stuff as I can, and I've done pretty good so far without any advertising. Well, not all the stuff, but this is a good part of the stuff I pulled out of the shed that is either trash or going to be sold. What a mess, huh? Yeah, and there's still a bunch of stuff in there. But I got a guy coming today with a trailer to load up all the trash and haul it off to the garbage or to the dump for me. My VW bug is finished. Just got to work out an appointment to get the guy here to deliver it, or up there to deliver it here. Over that window over there, I don't know if you can see it, see the turquoise or blue colored balance. I saved the one off of this window. At first I was just going to throw them away, but I saved them, and I'm going to use my wallpaper stuff and just cover them. Maybe do a little bit of repair work. I don't think I'm going to do a lot to the bathroom. I think it's pretty good the way it is. The only thing that I have to do is figure out these curtains for in here. And I think that the curtain panels that I bought to use in the trail mat are those gray ones with the little swirls in them. I think I'm going to hang 2 or 3 of the long ones over the door area of the bathroom, and then I'll use the short ones that I made to go across these shorter areas. To go across these shorter areas from here to here, and then hang 3 panels in this doorway area, and maybe 1 or 2 across each of these short ones. So that's pretty much it. And I haven't recorded anything of what I'm doing because the space in here, it's hard to set it up. And all I'm doing is crawling around hooking paper up, wallpaper. So anyway, as I make progress, I will come back, show you, tell you, show and tell.